we have continuous builds, which is when we integrate the software, we make sure we can build it correctly and the build doesn't fail. This provides very early feedback in case perhaps someone's forgotten to add a new file into the source control system. We need continuous testing to test the software that's being built and to get some sort of feedback on does it build correctly, does it do what we expect it to do, and all this feedback needs to be shared with everyone involved in the project, ranging from the business people through to the developers, the testers, the project leaders, the UX people, etc., etc. With Agile, we don't necessarily need to just test our software. We can use other forms of feedback and integrate that into the testing to help inform us about the quality of the software and whether we're building the right software. There are concepts such as mobile analytics, which is where we add additional software into our mobile applications, and that reports additional information as the software is being used by the users, and this data is then aggregated or combined, and we can look at the aggregated data, and that helps us to understand how the software is behaving. Customer service feedback is another form of input we can use to augment our understanding of the project, and there's plenty of other system data we can collect to help us understand whether our Agile project is doing the right thing and on track. In terms of testing then, automation is pivotal for effective testing. We can't really do Agile very well without test automation, and we use automation in context. So the automation, I consider its use for continuous aspects of the project. A few minutes ago I mentioned about continuous integration, continuous builds, continuous testing, continuous feedback. Where practical, we try to automate these aspects of the testing. And this would range from unit testing of the small pieces of code, the individual classes and methods being written by the development teams, through to testing the complete application. Test automation is a continuum, and I'm not quite sure how this explains well to you, but the concepts I'm using is sometimes we're looking at the synchronization between the automated tests and the software that's being tested. Sometimes we write the automated tests in advance of writing the rest of the software. This is a concept commonly known as test-driven development, and the tests help shape and design the design of the code and the implementation of the code. So the tests are there first, we write them first, and then we write the code that supports the tests to satisfy the tests, and when that code has been written, the tests pass, and the tests don't pass beforehand. The tests may be written in sync at the same time as the code that's being written. Here the focus would be to write small automated unit tests that live alongside the main code base of the application. Quite often, however, projects write the automated tests afterwards, after they've written the application code, and this might be minutes later, hours later, days later, or sometimes even months or years later. In this case, it's counterproductive to try and write the unit tests, so instead we start with testing the functionality, which is typically testing through an API if it's available in the application, or testing through the user interface.